Hi, my name is Richard Feller, and welcome to the Chair of Wisdom. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a few things that the Lord has impressed upon my mind. There's two kingdoms that's been revealed to me. One is that of restlessness, and the other is that of peace. Now, the Lord's kingdom I've discovered to be the kingdom of peace, as Jesus is the Prince of Peace. The kingdom of restlessness is that which is in the world. Now you may ask yourself the question, why is it that we don't recognize this world as being restless? And this is what I came across that I think you're going to find very interesting. When somebody is restless, they're on a wave that's in motion, and that is something you can see. But when everybody is on that wave and they cross each other, I don't mean like in a bad way, but when their paths cross each other in these little squiggly lines, you see where the lines intersect? That's a lot of different people crossing each other. And these points I call flash points. Let me write that down so you get an idea. Those little circles where the lines intersect in restlessness, those are points of flash points of reference where everybody can agree that there's restlessness, so they feel calm within the restlessness within themselves. So these points I call, let me write this down so you can remember. These are, again, flash points of agreement. Okay, hang in there. Now they look like little lollipops, but you get the idea. These are flash points of agreement. Again, we're riding the wave in instability, and we find ourselves restless, and we don't recognize it because everybody else is restless. And when we catch each other passing by in our restlessness, there you have it, flash points of agreement. And that's why we don't recognize the restlessness that we're in while in the reality of time. And that's something else I'm going to bring in, and which brings into play the kingdom of peace. Let's talk about that. What happens when the kingdom of restlessness meets the kingdom of peace? And let me do another line here. And this has to do with time again. And this has to do with eternity. Peace. Okay. So here we have wavy line. Gradually. Okay. So when you have restless people that are on a wave and it meets peace, look at what happens. The wave gradually subsides, because when calm enters the storm, the waves subside. Just as Jesus stilled the waves on the Sea of Galilee, he stills the waves in our life. And that is today's lesson. Thank you for joining me in the Chair of Wisdom. God bless you. look forward to seeing you again.